Beef tacos recipe. Ingredients. For the beef filling: 1½ pounds of ground beef, 1 onion, finely chopped, 3 cloves of garlic, minced, 1 jalapeno pepper, seeded and finely diced, 1 teaspoon ground cumin, 1 teaspoon paprika, 1 teaspoon chili powder, 1/2 teaspoon dried oregano, salt and pepper to taste, 1/2 cup beef broth, 2 tablespoons tomato paste. For the taco shells and toppings: 12 small tortillas, corn or flour, depending on your preference, 1 cup shredded lettuce, 1 cup diced tomatoes, 1/2 cup chopped fresh cilantro, 1 cup shredded cheddar cheese, lime wedges, for serving, sour cream, for serving, hot sauce, for serving, optional. Instructions. Prepare the beef filling. 1. In a large skillet or frying pan, heat some oil over medium heat. 1. Add the chopped onion, minced garlic, and diced jalapeno pepper. 1. Sauté until the onion becomes translucent and the jalapeno softens. 2. Add the ground beef to the skillet, breaking it up with a wooden spoon. 3. Sprinkle the ground cumin, paprika, chili powder, dried oregano, salt, and pepper over the beef. 3. Mix well to evenly distribute the spices. 4. Stir in the beef broth and tomato paste, combining them thoroughly with the meat mixture. 4. Allow the flavors to meld together over low heat for about 10 minutes. 4. Adjust the seasoning if needed. Prepare the taco shells. 1. Preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 175 degrees Celsius. 1. Wrap the tortillas in aluminum foil and place them in the oven for about 5 minutes, or until warmed through. 2. If you prefer crispy taco shells, heat a large skillet over medium-high heat. 2. Add a drizzle of oil and place 1 tortilla in the skillet. 2. Cook for about 1 to 2 minutes on each side until the tortilla becomes crispy. 2. Repeat with the remaining tortillas. Assemble the beef tacos. 1. Take a warm tortilla and spoon a generous amount of the beef filling onto the center. 2. Top the beef filling with shredded lettuce, diced tomatoes, chopped cilantro, and shredded cheddar cheese. 2. Feel free to add any additional toppings you desire, such as sliced avocado or pickled onions. 3. Squeeze a lime wedge over the filling for an extra burst of freshness. 4. If desired, drizzle some sour cream and hot sauce over the toppings to add creaminess and a kick of heat. 5. Fold the tortilla in half, creating a taco shape, and press gently to secure the filling. Serve and enjoy. 1. Place the assembled beef tacos on a platter and serve immediately while still warm. 2. Provide lime wedges, sour cream, and hot sauce on the side for guests to customize their tacos according to their preferences. 3. These tacos pair perfectly with Mexican rice, refried beans, or a side salad for a complete meal. Conclusion. With this unique and latest recipe for savory beef tacos, you can create a memorable and delicious meal for any occasion. The combination of flavors from the well-seasoned beef filling, fresh toppings, and crispy or soft tortillas will satisfy your cravings and leave your guests impressed. Enjoy the fiesta of flavors in every bite and savor the culinary delight that is these beef tacos with a twist. Beef tacos are a very tasty and yummy dish. Every to enjoy the yummy and delicious tacos dish for enjoying the events.